I'm Emmanuel and welcome to my workbench. Today, something a little bit different. Now, by the time this video drops, I have returned from vacation. I'm taking 1 week vacation in the Caribbean. And my family and I went to an island that is actually part of France. It is called Martinique or Martinique. And as being part of France, they use the euro. So I thought I would show you a little bit of the coinage and banknotes that they have there. I was really hoping for the bank to give me some circulated bills, but they gave me brand new, fresh, uncirculated consecutive bills. So I took out a 5, a 10, and a 20 euros. We're gonna do the whole UV check on these as well, talk about these, but let's start with the change. Let me get set up over here. Countries who use the euro may strike their own coinage, and many do. However, on the reverse is all the same for all of the coins. So let's start with the smallest coin, which is 1 euro cent. So this is a 1 euro cent. This happens to be a French obverse from 2009. So that's 1 cent. And then they go to the 2 cent coin. And this one is Portuguese. And then it goes to the 5 cent coin. This one is also Portuguese. And from 5 cents, it goes now to the gold toned coins. This is a 10 cents. This one is Portuguese as well. From 10 cents, they double to 20 cents, 20 euro cents. This one is also Portuguese. From 20, they go to 50. And this one is French. Then they go to the 1 euro coin. This one is Spanish. And finally, the 2 euro coin. And this one is also French. Now, I don't know what the state is in Martinique, but I do know that when we were in Europe the last time, we were in France, and a lot of shops don't accept the 1 and 2 euros anymore. They just round everything up to the nearest 5 euro cent. But these are still legal tender. There's no intention, as far as I know, to get rid of the 1 and the 2 euro cents. From the 2 euro coin, we go to the banknotes. Now, the banknotes as well are printed by various countries. This is the 5 euro note. There is a watermark of Europa. Let me see if I can get it on camera. Not really. Yeah, right here. The watermark looks like Europa right here. This is the face that you see on the watermark. There is a holographic security strip over here. And the features on these notes, this is the second series, is windows and doors. And these monuments here are representations of different periods in European architecture, and they don't actually represent any real buildings, bridges, or windows in Europe. So these are just representations. We got the color changing ink over here on the 5, and on the other side we have a bridge, map of the European Union, and by this prefix, V prefix over here, I know that all of my 5 euro notes were printed in Spain. The V prefix is for Spanish notes. So I already had one in my collection, but I'm going to take this note and upgrade the one that I had in my collection. We'll check it out under UV after. Here is the 10 euro note. Again, same features, the holographic strip, the same watermark. And on the back of this one, we have another bridge. W is for Germany. So all of my 10 euro notes were German. And finally, the 20 euro note. This one has windows on it. Again, the security strip over here. Holographic strip. You can see the 20 over here changing from Europa to the number 20. Same hologram. and a bridge on the back of this one. And R over here, the first R, is also indicates that this was printed in Germany. Now, you will notice that the banknotes are in increasing size. If I put them all on top of each other here and align them, you will see that the banknotes, if I align them properly, that is, are proportionally bigger, and this continues on with the 500 and the 100 euro note as well. There used to be, I believe, 500 euro notes, but they no longer circulate. And I don't know, was there ever a 200 euro note? I don't think there was a 200 euro note. It would make sense following the scheme that to have one, but I don't think, I might be wrong. I might be wrong. I'm going from memory here. I didn't do any research before going ahead and filming this video. Anyways, I'll put an annotation down here if there was a 200 euro note, but I believe the notes stopped at 500 euros. They didn't produce a 1,000 euro note. So let's go and check these notes under UV light to see how they react. The 5 euro note, yellow wash, all of the little dots over here fluoresce as well. We can see the stars of the European Union over here as well. And there are multicolor fibers in the banknote. On the opposite side, we have another wash with an orange bar over here as well, and we can see the multicolored fibers on the note over there. The 10, very similar design. The stars over here. This one has the first 5 stars over here glow, but over here it's the bottom 3 plus the top 2 over there that glow. Again, the little security microdots, multicolor fibers as well. And on the other side, again, an orange wash over here, a yellow wash there, and the multicolor fibers throughout as well. And the final 20 euro note, this one has 6 stars at the bottom here that reflect as well as the wash. And again, the multicolor fibers. And on the back, we have the central wash over here, and like a very light dark purple wash over here on the center over here. I think this actually might be a reflective strip there that I missed down here when the lights were on. All right. Now, these notes are going to be added to my collection to replace the circulated notes that were in my collection. I am working on completing a national euro currency set. There's 2 series, so this is the second series, the Europa series. There's the first series as well, and I'm looking to collect notes, preferably 5 euro notes, because that's a smaller denomination, for notes for each of the countries that print these notes. So I'm fleshing that out. You'll notice that in the Friday Fast 5, I actually didn't feature any euro notes, which was a not on purpose. I actually meant to include them, but whenever I got to a country like Spain, I don't think I actually included the Spanish 5 euro note or the German 10 and 20 euro notes in my videos. So that was a little bit of a skip, but you'll stay tuned for those, because as I flesh out my euro typeset collection, you will see videos on my channel for that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click on my logo over here to subscribe. Here is a video that might be of interest to you, as well as a playlist of other world currency. Until next time, thanks for watching.